One hot day, a lion felt very thirsty. He went near a small pond. A tiny bird was drinking water. The lion waited and let the bird finish first. The bird chirped happily. Thank you, big lion. The lion smiled. Soon, rain clouds came and the pond filled again. Oral, kindness always comes back to you. Concrete nouns from the story: lion, bird, pond, clouds. Concrete nouns are the things we can see and touch.